Have you ever written a loop, hit run, and then realized your program just entered an endless life cycle? Congratulations, you've just met the reason break and continue exist. Today, I'll show you how to take full control of loops in C# and stop them from misbehaving. Welcome back to the C# Full Beginner course. In the last episode, you learned how loops repeat code automatically using while loops and for loops. But loops alone aren't enough. Sometimes you want to stop a loop early. Sometimes you want to skip just one step and keep going. That's where break and continue come in. Once you understand these two keywords, your loops will behave exactly how you want them to. Why break and continue matter? Without break and continue, loops are very rigid. They either run or they don't. Break and continue give you control inside the loop. They let your program react to situations dynamically instead of blindly repeating steps. Think of them as emergency brakes and fast-forward buttons for your loops. What the break keyword does. The break keyword immediately stops the loop. As soon as break is reached, the loop ends. No more repetitions. This is useful when you've already found what you're looking for and don't need to keep looping. For example, searching through data or exiting a menu early. Break in real programs. Break is commonly used when a value has been found. The user chooses to exit. A condition makes further looping pointless. Instead of waiting for the loop condition to fail, break lets you leave immediately. Efficient and clean. What the continue keyword does. Continue works differently. Instead of stopping the loop, it skips the current iteration. The loop continues running, but everything below continue is skipped for that round. This is useful when some values should be ignored without stopping the entire loop. Continue in real programs. Continue is often used when input is invalid. Certain values should be skipped. You want to ignore edge cases. It keeps your logic readable by avoiding deeply nested if statements. Break versus continue. Quick comparison. Break says, I'm done here. Stop everything. Continue says, skip this one. Try the next. Both are powerful, but they do very different things. Knowing which one to use is a big step toward writing professional quality code. Real-world example, menu loop. Imagine a menu that keeps running until the user chooses to exit. Break is used to leave the menu loop. Continue is used to ignore invalid input and ask again. This pattern shows up everywhere in real applications. Once you recognize it, you'll start seeing it constantly. Common beginner mistakes. A common mistake is using break too early and stopping the loop before it finishes its job. Another mistake is forgetting that continue skips code below it. Understanding how loop flow works helps you avoid hours of debugging. You now know how to stop loops early using break. Skip iterations using continue. Write more flexible and controlled loop logic. If this helped you, subscribe, share the video, and comment what topic you want next. In the next episode, we'll move into arrays where loops really start to shine.